So hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today I'm actually home sick, so the stuffing might be just a little short today. You might hear me pulling my nose up and all that. I'm sorry, I apologize ahead of time. If I get a sneeze attack, I'll have to pause the video. If I get a cough attack, I may have to pause the video. But I've been out of work for 3 days, so one of my paycheck is gonna be very short in October because I have no more sick days. So I guess my mystery challenge is going to come in very handy to kind of help balance out everything. But if you guys want to see this short stuff in for my final paycheck of September, stay tuned and here we go. So today we're stuffing a total of $544, which is $225 in fun money and $319 in cash. As you can see, I'm running out of ink, but I'm taking it down to 0. When the printer says I'm out, then I will change it. So we're just gonna put this here. The reason why I'm stuffing such a little amount, I was supposed to be stuffing more, but I can't get to go outside. I don't want to go outside to go to the bank, and I only use the money that I had already withdrawn before I got sick. So this is a total of $319, and we're only stuffing $20 in my wallet this time because we're just gonna carry over what's there. That's how bad it is. So let's just count what we have. Put that to the side. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's 2. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $319. So like I said, we're not unstuffing our wallet today. I still have 15 in my spending envelope, so we're gonna just leave that there. I spent 5. Of course, dining out is gone, so we're gonna add 20. Oops, I don't like to see it like that. Oh, you ever pay attention that when you're sick, everything bothers you? Stuff that was okay before you were sick, it's not okay while you're sick. So even though we add 20, household still have the 5, miscellaneous still has the 5, and a given still has a 5 because I haven't gone outside. Ooh. And that's it for our wallet. So the first thing we're stuffing is our monthly color challenge, which is going to complete the 2 months that we were working on. So February is getting 30, and that had 1, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and we're adding 30 to make it 150, which means I gotta color these 4. So what was I doing? 5. Oops, 5 5s. What did I say? Weird breakdown. 5 5s and 5 singles. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should have 150, 20, 40. Oops. You know, this goes into my end of month stuffing. We may stuff Sinkingfunds, or we may do a month ahead for the bills. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. September is getting 40. And that has 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, and 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's 120. That's complete for the month. So September is completed. So that's done. Next thing is my spooky challenge. It's in this binder, and we have our spooky challenge is actually an envelope, which I love. Halloween. So we're putting 30 today, 15, 20, 30. So these three add up to 30. And 30. Whoops. Which is 5 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This money is so disgusting from the ATM, it's not even funny. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60. So that's 30 and 30, 60. My nails challenge is getting 30 today also. And that's also 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20, 40, 60, 70. So this should be 100. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So since we are not feeling well, we're going to use some of Crystal stickers again. Nail challenge is done. So this is good. So payday challenge is getting $28. We're not doing any of the front today. We're just doing September 28th. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I'm just going to add that to September. Oops. I may do these envelope over for the new year and make them a little bigger. Seem like they're a little short. So that's done. Next thing is the dice game. Well, it's also here. we rolled it last week. We rolled $41, so we're adding 41 today. And 41 is getting 2 20s and a single. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're 112. And the only thing left now on this particular one is $38. So we're just going to pretend that we roll the dice. And we're going to add $38. Once we stuff this one, we'll be finished and we can start a new one. We're going to try for the 251 next. So since this one doesn't have an envelope, it was just a bonus. We're going to put 25 plus 25 is 50 into this envelope. So 50 is going into this one. That covers what we scratch on this envelope plus the bonus. And it's trying to break my envelope. I would like to reuse them again. Thank you very much. See, it started to rip my envelope. That's not nice. I'm going to put this here so we know that we put the bonus in. Then this one is 30. I'm upset that I'm sick now. I'm finishing up my favorite challenge. And this one gets 20. And that's it for my mystery challenge. I'm so bummed. So bummed. I know it should be over 1,000. At least that's what I added up when I was putting this challenge together. So I hope it's at least 1,200 or so. I'll be a little over. Nice. So that's all. And then our automatic savings. We're adding 200 to our 10,000 slash no ball. 9's 28 at 200. That's 1,800, and that's gonna be used to pay off my CS credit card. I actually owe 1,850, I think. So we're gonna be paying it off. So now we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,800. Emergency fund, we're not stuffing anymore. It has my emergency fund, blah, 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 blah. Actually transferred some money this week. I just realized it has 11. Yikes, my phone. I didn't take a picture yet, but once we go over everything at the end of the month, I'll show the balances. But it has 1,100 in it now. I mean, 4,100. So I did add 50. 9, 28. We have 4,100. 50. So I have 3,000 in a CD and 1,100 active money. 4,100. And then my American Express $25 challenge. Adding 25 as usual. And we should be at 12. Sorry guys. Because I'm sick, I haven't been sleeping well either. So I'm like, so we're adding 25 today. 9, 28, 25. So it's 1150. 1150. So that's it for my challenge today. It wasn't a lot, but thank you guys for tuning in, watching. Just leave me a comment in the bottom. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.